Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute piggy bank. So all you need for this piggy bank is a plastic bottle and some Fevicryl molded clay. You can see I have already made a cut on the bottle from where the coins will go inside, and now we will give the bottle the shape of a pig. You have to mix the hardener and the resin in equal portions, and you have to mix it really well. Now you have to make 4 small rounds, small circles, and you have to give it the shape of legs, small rounded legs for small little cute piggy. To place it exactly at the opposite side of the place where you have made the cut. Yes, you have to make sure that the bottle is able to stand. Bottle is standing with the support of these 4 small legs. Now we are going to give the cap the shape of a piggy's mouth, piggy's face. In order to make the piggy's face a little rounded, I am adding aluminum foil. See how I am folding it into a circle, and I am trying to add a little, making the center part a little rounded. You can see it? Yes, like this. And then I'm going to cover it with the clay. I'm going to cover the complete portion with the clay and give it a semicircle sort of, semi-sphere sort of shape, so that it looks like a rounded pig face. You just need to keep pressing it with light hands till the desired shape is achieved, and make sure that you're doing it with a very light hand so that it doesn't leave the impression of your fingers on the clay. I'm doing the same thing with the back portion of the pig, adding some aluminum foils to add a circular shape, and then I'm going to cover it with clay. So it's easier to give shape to the clay after 5 minutes of mixing it. When it's a little bit hard, it's easier to give it shape, but you have to keep in mind that this Fevicryl molded clay will set within 40 minutes. Within 40 minutes it will become hard and it will not be possible to change its shape. For making this pig, you can basically make it with your hands. You don't need any tools, clay tools as such. So now I'm making the ears of the piggy. 2 small circles added on each side and making a small impression on the ears to make it look more real. And now we are going to make the nose, the snout of the pig. It's really easy. Just roll it and give it the oval shape. Yes. And I'll add 2 small eyes as well. Now I'm going to make the crown of the piggy. The crown is, in the crown there's one heart. So I'm making this heart shape. Make a circle, press it towards the down and cut it at the top and make it in a shape of heart. Now I am adding a little bulk toward the mid portion of the piggy because piggies are little fat. But if you want, you can skip this process and you can simply paint it as it is. But I want to do it. I want to make it look little fat piggy, so I'm doing it. I'm trying to make this cylindrical bottle little bulky from the sides. If you find a plastic bottle that originally has that shape, it would be good for you. Also, if you are not adding the clay and you're directly using paint on plastic, the paint will not stay properly. So I would suggest you cover the plastic with tissue papers first. Use acrylic paint to stick the tissue paper, or if you have Mod Podge, you can use that. So this is a crown. I've already made the crown. See, it's a heart in the center. I'm giving it a little bit of shape. Now I'm going to make the tail of the piggy, small tail. Yes, and just roll it, make it round. See, you can see. So the face is ready. We have to stick the crown on the face. Yes. So after the clay dries, I'm just trying to smoothen it out a little bit. This is the scraping tool I have. Now it's time to paint. A little bit white, and the initial coat will be white. I am sponge dabbing it because sponge dabbing paints will stay for longer. It will not peel off. So the first coat of white. Before adding any color, remember that when you're working with clay, you have to give the first coat with white so that the color comes perfectly. Next, I'm going to dab it into baby pink. That's my favorite color. And I've painted the crown golden. I'm making the snout pink. This is fluorescent colors from Brusto that I'm using. The pink is fluorescent pink from Brusto, and the other colors are Fevicryl colors, and this one is Flash. Color the eyes black. Add some cute eyelashes. Give finishing touches to the nose and finishing touches to the eyes, some blush on the cheeks. The cute little piggy is almost ready. Yeah, here it goes. Yes. See, it's looking so beautiful. Let's add some hearts to it. Pink little hearts. Yes. Wow, it's looking so cute. Oh, my little one loves it. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Thank you.